Hi, my name is Jonah Treitler, and I'm a student at the Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology. The title of my talk for today is From ChatGPT to Deep Blue, From AlphaGo to AlphaFold, an exploration on the achievements of artificial intelligence. So let's look at the agenda for this talk. So, first, we will start by defining AI and looking at how it is used. Then, we will have a series of examples of AI, starting with ChatGPT, a viral AI chatbot. Then, Deep Blue, an expert chess supercomputer, followed by AlphaFold, a protein structure predictor, and AlphaGo, an elite Go engine. Then, we will have a brief timeline and finish up with a conclusion. First, let's define the key term that we'll be focusing on throughout this talk: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Artificial intelligence, defined by Google, is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. What does that mean? Simply put, artificial intelligence is a computer that can think, learn, and imitate human behavior. AI can be seen and used in many forms. Here are some examples of these forms. First, we have a type of AI called functional AI, and this is in the form of a robot. On the left, we have Museo. Museo is a social robot designed by AKA Intelligence and powered by Muse. Using deep learning algorithms, Museo converses with people, recognizes objects, and understands people's facial expressions. Additionally, Museo has an emotional engine which lets it express facial expressions when conversing with someone. Different sounds and facial colors are shown with animations on its screen. And on the right, we have AI in the form of a computer. This is the AI supercomputer, a high speed computer designed specifically to train machine learning systems. The company that created this, Meta, says that its new AI research supercluster, or RSC, is already among the fastest machines of its type, and when complete, will be the world's fastest. Next, we have AI in the form of a chatbot, which we like to call interactive AI. This is ChatGPT, a state of the art artificial intelligence program that can interact with users and answer a wide variety of questions. We will focus on this specific example later in the presentation. On the right, we have analytical AI. Analytical AI is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to process and analyze large amounts of data in order to identify patterns and make predictions. For example, when applied to financial markets, analytical AI can be used to predict stock prices based on a range of factors such as market trends, company financials, and macro and microeconomic indicators. Analytical AI has the potential to provide investors with valuable insights and help them to make more informed decisions when it comes to buying and selling stocks. The first example that I would like to focus on AI is Deep Blue, the chess AI computer that made history by defeating the then reigning world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. Deep Blue was a supercomputer developed by IBM specifically for playing chess. It was first introduced in 1996, and it became the first machine to defeat a reigning world champion in a match under standard chess tournament conditions. The match consisted of 6 games, with Deep Blue winning 2, Kasparov winning 1, and 3 games ending in a draw. This was a major milestone in the development of artificial intelligence, and it demonstrated the significant advances that have been made in the field of computer chess. What made Deep Blue such a formidable opponent was its immense computing power combined with sophisticated algorithms that allowed it to analyze and evaluate millions of chess positions per second. This gave it the ability to consider many possible moves and find the best one, making it much more difficult to beat than previous computer chess programs. The victory of Deep Blue over Kasparov not only demonstrated the potential of AI in the field of games and puzzles, but also had far reaching implications for the future of technology. The development of Deep Blue paved the way for the creation of even more advanced AI systems, and it helped to spur on the growth of AI research and development in a wide range of other fields, from natural language processing to computer vision. Deep Blue is a landmark achievement in the history of artificial intelligence, and its success in defeating one of the greatest chess players of all time was a testament to the remarkable progress that had been made in the field of AI, and it demonstrated the immense potential of this technology to change our world. So, on the bottom right of your screen, you can see that in this position, with Deep Blue as white and Garry Kasparov as black, Deep Blue played knight takes e6, a very good move that weakened black's kingside and allowed Deep Blue to go on to win the game, exploiting this weakness. This is just an example of the immense computing power of Deep Blue. Next up is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is built on top of a type of machine learning called transformer models that allow it to analyze vast amounts of data, understand the context of questions, and generate responses that are coherent and relevant. ChatGPT is designed to learn from massive amounts of text data from the internet and to improve its responses over time, allowing it to provide increasingly accurate and informative answers to users. In essence, it's a virtual assistant that can provide us with information and help us make sense of complex ideas and concepts. The primary goal of ChatGPT is to create a conversational AI that can understand and respond to natural language inputs in a human like way. It achieves this by using a technique known as unsupervised pre training, where the model is trained on a large set of text data without any specific task or supervision. This allows the model to learn and develop a deep understanding of language use. ChatGPT has several practical applications, including chatbots for customer service, personal assistance, and content generation for creative writing. It has also been used to improve language translation systems and to assist with medical diagnoses by analyzing medical records and symptoms. The development of ChatGPT represents a significant advancement in the field of natural language processing and AI. The ability of ChatGPT to generate human like responses with minimal supervision represents a significant leap forward in the development of AI systems that can understand and communicate with humans, making it easier and more natural for people to communicate with technology. So, on this slide, I included an example of me asking ChatGPT to explain in Old English how to take out the trash. So as you can see, ChatGPT created a creative response in a matter of seconds that is also comprehensible and funny. Next up is AlphaGo. AlphaGo is an artificial intelligence program developed by Google's DeepMind research team that was designed to play the board game Go. It utilizes deep neural networks and reinforcement learning to improve its gameplay strategy over time. In 2016, AlphaGo made history by defeating Lee Sedol, one of the world's top Go players, in a 5 game match. This was a significant achievement because Go is an incredibly complex game with more possible positions than there are atoms in the universe. This meant that traditional AI techniques, such as brute force search, were not sufficient for achieving high level gameplay. The development of AlphaGo and its success in defeating top human players represented a major breakthrough in the field of AI. It demonstrated the power of deep learning and reinforcement learning techniques for solving complex problems and highlighted the potential of AI for tackling real world challenges in various domains. Furthermore, the development of AlphaGo spurred further advancements in AI, particularly in the area of game playing AI. For example, DeepMind later developed AlphaZero, a program that can learn to play Go, chess, and shogi, Japanese chess, from scratch without any prior knowledge or human guidance. AlphaFold is an artificial intelligence program developed by the DeepMind research team at Google. It uses deep learning techniques to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins, which is a critical problem in the field of structural biology. Proteins are essential molecules that perform a wide range of functions in the body, including catalyzing biochemical reactions and providing structural support. The structure of a protein determines its function, and understanding protein structure is therefore critical for understanding how proteins work and for developing new drugs and treatments for diseases. AlphaFold uses a technique known as deep learning neural networks to predict protein structure with high accuracy, reducing the time and resources required for experimental determination. Furthermore, the development of AlphaFold has inspired further research in the field of AI and has led to the development of other machine learning models that can be used for protein structure prediction. For example, DeepMind has since released AlphaFold 2, which has even greater accuracy and predictive power than the original AlphaFold model. Overall, the development of AlphaFold represents a significant advancement in AI and has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of protein structure and function. It demonstrates the power of deep learning techniques for solving complex scientific problems and highlights the potential of AI for tackling real world challenges in various domains, including medicine and biotechnology. DeepMind says AlphaFold is one of their most significant advances to date, and that the progress suggests that AI will become one of humanity's most useful tools in expanding the frontiers of scientific knowledge. They say future research in this area may look at how multiple proteins form complexes, how they interact with DNA, RNA, or small molecules, and how to determine the precise location of all amino acid side chains. On this slide is a basic timeline for the release dates of the examples that we gave for AI in this presentation. It may be surprising to see that Deep Blue was released all the way back in the 20th century, while ChatGPT was only released to the general public this past year. This 26-year difference between the two AIs is evident when looking at the different ways that these two algorithms gather data, though both are very effective. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has come a long way from its inception in the mid 20th century to the present day, where it has revolutionized various fields, with examples such as Deep Blue defeating the world chess champion, AlphaGo beating the world champion in the ancient Chinese game of Go, AlphaFold predicting protein folding, and ChatGPT engaging in human like conversations. It is clear to us that AI is rapidly transforming the way we work, learn, and interact with the world around us. As we continue to develop more advanced algorithms and technologies, it is essential to keep in mind the ethical implications and to ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity. While there is still so much to learn and explore in the field of AI, it is undoubtedly a promising area of research that has the potential to impact our future in countless positive ways. Thank you.